So Belle fell in the water.
Oh, Bella.
Skinny. She'll be that skinny.
She's a
I've never
little
seen
here.
Oh, wow.
Grab her before she goes on someone's bed.
Oh.
You're so wet. Her head didn't go under, so it must have been when Laura dropped the thing that she freaked out.
Yeah.
She probably fell over.
Oh,
Right, we need another towel. Can you grab a couple of
there's
those
another
towels?
one in my bedroom.
No, a couple of those towels. Just soak up the water under there.
This is our family. We decided to sell our house and buy a boat. Join us as we learn to sail and take this new adventure as a family.
Sail all our things and learn to say. Sounds like the start of a good tale. All right, the short time we've got, so make the most of
Here's what
every
happened.
stop.
What are we doing, Wyatt?
Well, we've started renovating.
It's the sky.
Yeah, what happened, by the way? Excited about going out?
Pacificae.
Alright, today's the day we're getting our new Navionics put in. We're going from Navman, which is a bit outdated, to the new Axiom Raymarine stuff. So hopefully,
And this man is helping us.
this man here has come aboard to give us a hand. And where are you from, sir?
I'm an ex-South African, but living in Pacificae Bay now. An ex-sailor myself, so excited for you guys to get up on the water and enjoy everything. Queensland's the spot.
Yeah, it is.
We're here to help. Wyatt's pretty handy too. And you will find that this thing is an absolute nightmare on wiring. And probably nothing's done properly. And it's all off at the moment, isolated on the fuse box.
Alright,
There's a separate, I've just double checked that. I'm pretty sure there's a separate switch for it.
They're weird.
Yeah, it's just different mounting options, so if you wanted to do a flush mount or a stand mount. Thank
No
you very
worries.
much.
Oh, don't turn off.
Yeah, that's it.
Set up anything, you just go into settings, your boat details there.
Yeah.
So I'll put a safe depth of 0.9.
Yeah.
Big thanks to Lionel from Marine Maintenance for helping us out. If you're ever in the Tin Can Bay area and need maintenance work done to your boat, we would definitely recommend giving Lionel a call on the number below.
Oh dear, my day just got a whole lot worse.
And why is that exactly, Jay?
Nothing seems to be working.
What are you working on?
The water maker, which decided to not work and make water anymore. Further studies show that it needs a seal kit. So we've ordered the seal kit, and now I've just got to work through the 6 pages of instructions, which is supposed to take me 3 hours to finish.
And how long do you estimate it's actually going to take?
A couple of days.
Let's do a time check, shall we? Just
So do I.
here we have it is quarter. Oh, we have a lot of reflection. That's what we've got. 20 to 1. On what day is it? Saturday. Let's see how long it takes Jay to actually repair the water maker. In the meantime, we have no water left in our tanks. So the time is now nearly 20 to 4. And oh look, he's not here anymore. A lot of mess.
Gone off yet?
Let's go down here.
Are you actually videoing?
And have a look through here. How's it going, Jay?
It's frustrating. It's just not designed to be worked on in here.
How accurate was their 3-hour time slot?
Don't know what time. I have no idea what time it is.
It's 3 hours since we filmed you last time.
Good.
So pretty accurate then.
And I did the gearbox as well.
Excellent. Now we get to see if it's going to leak.
Oh, eventually. Alright, I was going to check the water. Just plugged in the water maker and it's a lot quieter. Funny about that when you put grease in things. So I'm just going to quickly check for leaks. Make sure that there's no leaks. I'll just check all the fittings. What I've taken off. Yep, dry. Good job. There's no water in the bottom. So yeah, that's our water maker. Resealed for another 1,000 hours. So we'll see how that goes. And I've got myself a little book so I can write down when I'm using the water maker, so I know when I do the next service on it. In 1,000 hours, so 16 litres of fresh drinking water an hour. So should have, you know, 30 litres up in a couple of hours. It should be nice. Alright, back on to the next job. See you later. Alright, the time has come. We are sick of the carpet. You can't clean it. It just looks like that all the time. So we are going to find out what is underneath the carpet. Is there a nice polished floor under the carpet? Is there glue? Stay tuned, we will find out soon.
What are we doing?
What are you, stinking out the room so that Mum leaves?
Oh, it's perfect.
It works. The stuff smells a bit like dead old. We've ripped up all the carpet, that lovely blue worn out carpet. We've discovered that whoever painted this has painted water-based over oil-based paint, which doesn't work. So we're going to strip all that back, give it a coat with some special 3-in-1 primer that you can change it back to water-based over the top, and then we can lay our new tiles, which is down there. So we'll be doing that today. So
Even check if it's
I don't like scratching off paint. It's really annoying. Once all this is off, I'll probably have to give it a light sand, and then I can put on the 3-in-1 primer, and then I can put on the colour we actually want it to be. Having said that, I don't actually know what colour we're painting here yet. This is just going to be white.
Have you painted before?
I have painted lots. I'm kind of over it. I painted almost every inch of the other house that we lived in. It's painful and slow, and I don't like it. I always get the fiddly bits. Jay always gets the bits with like the spray gun that are really easy to do.
It's loud now. Right, while they do renos, I'm going to label all of these. They've had labels on them, but some of them do, like this one, though, I don't know if that's good, but this one needs a proper label. All done.
We're almost ready to paint.
Painting, finally.
Sanded everything.
After much sanding and scraping and getting it nice, it's ready for paint. We're using a grey undercoat to try and hide some of the darkness of the colour that we're going over. Mind you, we're painting a dark colour anyway, so
And you can paint the floor if you want to because we're putting stuff over it.
that's right. It doesn't matter if I get it on the floor. Nora's, yeah, go. You can start around here.
Yeah.
Could you quickly an hour and then I'm going to set a timer for half an hour.
Yep.
Oh dear. Stop sticking. What colour was it? Well, what's in?
I'm waiting for drying. I'm watching paint dry.
Well then explain, hang on.
And then in the meantime, I'm fiddling because that's what I like to do.
Well, we start laying the floor then.
Well, we can start laying the floor.
Can we?
Yeah,
we
we're
laying
starting
floor?
right over there.
Let's lay the floor! Wait, I want you peeling off the background.
I'll need to cut this one.
I do have another half one, so.
Last piece is in, the floor is done.
Now to clean the mess up.
And I think it looks good, and that's good with that. Still have to reupholster the couch, but other than that,
Yeah, I do. Can I
this
try?
room is coming together. And repaint this wall. really helps us a lot if you subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you again next week.